Hello and welcome back, or if you're new here, then welcome. My name is Tammy. Today I'm setting up my B6 Stalogy for the week of January 19th through the 25th. I usually use this notebook as a daily brain dump notebook, is the best I can explain it. But I did already put in a weekly view here, and we'll talk about that in just a moment. What I want to tell you is I created these stickers on Canva and cut them with Cricut. So we're going for kind of a feminine, pretty floral vibe. Basically, it's frigid where I live right now, and we're expecting a huge snowstorm. So I am bringing joy into my day by putting flowers in my planner, because why not? If that's something that you're interested in, then stay tuned. So I went ahead and I already glued down this printable here. I did add a sticker. This is from a Happy Planner sticker book. I decided I should put some florals in on this day as well. Didn't want to go over the top, so I just went ahead and got a simple sticker for that. Used a Tombow marker to date it and made this nice and easy. I really like this layout, so I'm just gonna go with it for the time being. It's easy, it's quick, and there you go. So I went and made some of these. I'm still getting used to the Cricut. We just got one at Christmas time, and I'm still getting used to it. I like it, that is for sure, but I need to play around with it a little bit more. So all right, I did put like a little girl there with a book because it's cozy and sweet, some tea. I just wanted to go for that vibe, that sweet spring type vibe. But let's go ahead and put our date stickers in. Now, I usually like to date it up here in the corner. So let me know in the comments below what type of plan with me video you would prefer. Do you prefer videos that are the long ones that show all the steps, or do you prefer the flip throughs of what's already been done? I am very curious and looking for some feedback, so if you don't mind, go ahead and leave me a comment. I would really appreciate it. And while you're at it, if you are new here, I hope that you'll consider subscribing if this is the type of thing you're into. On this channel, we talk about stationery and planning and art journals and that type of thing. So if that's your jam, then welcome. We'd love to have you. So, all right, we got that done. So we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All right, so the reason I'm starting on a Monday is because my husband, I started on a Sunday. That's because my husband works Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, or Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So for the sake of our family, I usually start on a Sunday. I have changed it back and forth depending on our needs of the family. So if you ever see me in the future doing a Monday start, that's why. Okie dokie. Let's just go for it. I really wanted to put this on my Sunday since it's a little bit bigger. We'll put that right here in the corner. Looks like there's a tiny bit more. I'm going to just go ahead and add that. So how are you all doing out there? Curious if where you live got hit with snow or not. And how are you doing so far in 2025? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're doing. All right. These, I'm going to show you what I had intentioned of. Layering these guys like that. And then I have this and this which we can do up here. Sorry guys, I'm going kind of quickly because I have already kind of thought this out and how I want things to look. And that's my daughter that you hear cooing next to me. She's reached the age now where she will actually reach out for me, which is super cute. Super cute. So yeah, I had her in the other room and she wants her mama, so I thought, well, I'll just have her next to me and we'll just kind of go quick. So I'm not messing around with this. I'm just gonna get her done and just spend some time with the littles. This will be tricky, I think, this leaf. Ooh, I got it. Really would rather it with this. Ooh, it did rip. That's all right. We're just gonna stick her down. There we go. And let's see if we can do it with this one. So I am recording this in the beginning of January, and so far so good. But again, it is the beginning of the month, it's the beginning of the year. So we'll see how things go, but I'm hopeful. I am hopeful. So what I thought I could do, see, I made these a little bit small. But maybe that's kind of silly, isn't it? That's all right. I'm gonna put one of these over here. And how about we put this little teacup right here. And we'll put her. Oop. We're missing part of her, but that's okay. We'll just stick this right here. That's cute. That's not even worth it. I'm not gonna bother with that. And we'll layer this on there. There we go. Those pages look nice. Now, I do know this is Martin Luther King Day, so I do want to note that, and I'm going to get out, let's move this out of the way, a Tombow marker. Let's make sure we're in focus here. use this marker or this pen. There we go. And then let's mark that here too. Martin Luther King Day. And then, do I have anything else that I know of? I don't know yet because it is a bit out in the future. Actually, I'm pretty sure that my husband has an appointment this day. And then this day, those I do know of. So we can put those in. But you know, we forgot to put in the day of the week, and I have this sticker book from the Happy Planner. I've had it for a while, and in the back there is some Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So let's go ahead and use those. So we'll just put it underneath like that. Should I put it next to it or under? I'll put it under. We'll just keep it the same. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Should have thought that through, huh? Well, we'll put her over here. We'll just put it over there. Friday. And then this Saturday, we'll put here. We'll just put it here. All right. So I have a printable here. I did this on Canva. I just used my glue runner to pop this in. I used a Tombow marker to put the dates in, kept it real simple. And then these are the stickers we put in, like a floral theme here. This is the day I will be at church. Typically I'm at church, I should say. So let's get this one, because I feel like this will match. That's a good match. And then we have MLK Day on Monday, the 20th, and then January 21st, Tuesday. More than likely these days, I'll be doing homeschool with my daughter. She's only 4, so I'm very casual about homeschooling. But yeah, that's what we're doing. And then January 22nd and 23rd, this day here, My husband has an issue with his foot, and we need to go to the doctor for it. He's actually in quite a bit of pain from it, so we'll get that taken care of. And then this day we'll use this. All right, I can't remember the time. I'll have to look that up, but I'm pretty sure it's early in the morning. I'm gonna go ahead and put in a header since I have the right marker out. And this side we'll use the blue. What the heck, we'll go for it. I'm gonna use the blue here too. All right, for now, I'm just gonna leave it this way because, like I said, it is a bit in the distance, and I just, you know, when I get closer to the day, I'll probably change it a bit. Maybe I'll put in my goals. It just depends on if I'm still using this, which I'm starting to get to the point where I'm like toward the end of this, and as you can see, and I'm kind of itching for a change, but anywho, there we go. I'll just do a quick flip. I think these are really pretty. And then Saturday. All right, so that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate your time. Thanks for hanging out. And yeah, I hope to see you in the next video. And until then, bye.